Looking for a job or internship? You're watching the right video. Today, I will guide you through how to use and navigate HireFresnoState to browse jobs, save jobs, and set up alerts. First, navigate to the HireFresnoState landing page to begin. When you log in, you will be directed to your HireFresnoState dashboard. To the left of this page, expand a tab called Job Listings and Interviews. In the drop-down menu, select the search option. Once you are redirected to the job search page, set up job filters through the drop-down chips and the keyword search bar at the top of the page. There are job types, job title, job location, and other advanced filters under More Filters. These filters will help us narrow down our search results. You may notice there are 3 tabs listed at the top of the page: All, Interviews, Job Listings, and On-Campus Student Jobs. All on-campus positions will be listed under On-Campus Student Jobs for ease of navigation. Looking to narrow down your search? Campus job filters are available under Type of Job as On-Campus Student Assistant, On-Campus Work Study, and On-Campus Auxiliary. Looking for full-time positions? The type of job category also includes full-time entry-level and full-time experienced. Looking for something more seasonal? This category also includes internships for academic credit and internships for professional experience. The difference between the two is that an internship for academic credit will earn you Fresno State class credit. While browsing the job listings, you might come across jobs you want to save for later. Click on the heart icon to the left of the job title to save any open positions that interest you. These positions will be available under the Saved filter on the search page for future access. Another helpful HireFresnoState feature you might be interested in is the Save Your Search feature. You might notice that this option is at the bottom of the screen under the blue banner labeled Save Search or Turn on Email Alerts. With your filters and keywords set up, select this option and open the Save window to save your filters for later without clicking through all those drop-downs. Or set up job alerts with your preferred email frequency. You can refer back to these alerts on the same blue banner but on the right side of the screen, where it reads My Saved Searches and Alerts. Under that menu, you can edit your searches or alerts and delete them. You're all set. Before letting you go, don't forget to upload your resume, transcripts, and other relevant documents under Application Materials for easy access later. Happy job hunting!